Turning Notion data into PDFs manually is a nightmare. Meet PDF Maker for Notion, the fastest way to turn database records into polished, ready-to-share PDFs. Start by connecting your Notion workspace. Choose the pages you want to share, click Allow, and your workspace is securely connected. You control exactly what PDF Maker can access. Next, create a template. Give it a name, select Notion as your data source, choose your database, and set a custom naming rule. PDF Maker imports every property automatically. Now, design your document. Drag Notion fields onto the blank canvas and build the layout your way. Add names, emails, departments, images, signatures, or logos, then save your template. When you're ready, select one record or an entire batch. Click Generate, and your PDFs are created in seconds, ready to download. Your Notion data transformed into beautiful PDFs without the manual work.